This is video number 5 of our teaching series, How to Set Up Audacity. In this video, we'll teach you how to download Audacity and then how to set it up so you can translate. First of all, you want to go to your browser and you want to type in this address. This will lead you to the Audacity homepage and there to the download section. Here you can download Audacity either for Windows or Mac or even Linux. Once you downloaded the file, you can open it and you will be guided through the installation. Just make sure to choose the right language. Once you installed the program, you can open it and you will see this message first. This is just an overview of the newest version, and it will give you some help tools if you're stuck somewhere. This can be helpful if there's anything we don't cover in our videos that you might need. So you can just confirm here. And then you have here the Audacity surface. Here the buttons to start and stop recording. Here you have additional commands, audio setup. And here you have the record meters where you can record your input as well as your output. What you want to do first is you want to save your project. So you want to go to File, Save Project As. There is a warning that this is an audio project, Audacity project, and not an audio file. So you can only use this with Audacity. So you can just click Don't Show This Again and confirm. Now, in my case, I'm going to have a translation of Zurich German of Luke in Luke 10. So that's the folder I want to open to save this project. There's another video that will explain you how to set up a good folder structure. And I want to label it the right way. And it goes like this. First of all, you want to put in the right year. So 2024. Then you want to have the month, which is May. And then you want to have the day, which is the 7th. After this, you're going to make a lower dash. It can be found here. And you want to write the language, which is in our case Zurich German. After this, you want to put in which book and which chapter you're translating. After another lower dash, it will be Luke 10 in our case. And you also want to add after this which verses you are translating. So you can have a V, and then in our case it's going to be verse 1 to 5. So just the first verses 1, and you have a normal dash to 5, beginning and end of your verses. And then the last thing you want to add is which version or which take it is, which will be in our case take 1, as it is the first the first attempt in translating this language. You can save this and it will also show up here. Once you've done this, you want to set up your surface rightly. So what you're going to do is to create 2 mono tracks. You go to Tracks, Add New, Add Mono Track. And you're going to repeat the same thing again. So these 2 tracks will pick up the 2 different language. Track 1 will pick up the trade language, which is in our case English, so you can rename the track to English. Track 2 will pick up the mother tongue, which is in our example Zurich German. So you can rename the track to Zurich German. Now you have both the 2 tracks set up, and the way it should work is that the first microphone that's put in slot 1 of your interface is the trade language that's going to be picked up here. And the second microphone is put in the second slot of the interface and will be put up here. This is the mother tongue. The last thing you want to make sure is that you have the right sound source. So you go here to Audio Setup and Recording Device. Now you see microphone array is selected, which is wrong. So I want to have my interface, which is in my case Scarlett 2i2 USB. It might be a different one depending on which one you use. Make sure that it is selected rightly here. Once you've confirmed this, have everything ready, you are ready to record.